Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube family. This is me Anum here. Hope you are all doing well. So let's going to our topic. आज मैं जिस टॉपिक के साथ हाजिर हुई हूँ वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. फॉर जॉब इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. कैंडिडेट, may I come in, sir? Interviewer, yes, please come in. Candidate, thank you, sir. Interviewer, please have a seat. Candidate, thank you, sir. Interviewer, tell me about yourself. Candidate, I am Anum from Lahore. I have done my master's degree in Islamic Studies and Special Education from Punjab University to Lahore. And recently I have completed my BA degree from AIOU. Interviewer, what is your strength? Candidate, sir, I am very hardworking and always dedicated to my work, self-motivated and optimistic person. Interviewer, what is your weakness? Candidate, I always over prepare for any work that is assigned to me. Interviewer, why do you need a job? Candidate, I want to take my own responsibility. I want to make myself to capable person. So I need a job. Interviewer, why should I hire you? Candidate, sir or ma'am, because I need a platform to prove my skills, knowledge, and talent. Interviewer, how much salary do you expect? Candidate, sir or ma'am, being a refresher, I am not looking for a salary. What I am looking for is experience, hence, I want to go as company norms. सो दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल इंटरव्यू पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस जो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया. मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहा. उम्मीद है कि आपके लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक्स अ लॉट एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.